back again with Harry Nutsack and little Aidens. We just gaming again. So that's my gaming name, got it? Aiden, my gaming name is Harry Nutsack, got it? Aiden! Aiden! Call me Bat Dad. Harry Nutsack. That's your girlfriend. That's your girlfriend.
I've just been murdered. Circle the hole.
It might save you. You might save your bonilius. Goddamn.
It's cold, Dad.
Stay the hell away, Aiden, it says.
I didn't know. So that's what now.
Fuck off and die, it says. Blow their legs to chill the rains.
Dad says I'm dying.
Bro, you're gonna get gang raped again.
Werewolf.
Gang raped. Gang raped.
Werewolf. Let me out.
Gang raped. That motherfucker. You need your goddamn fit. Pull the brownie now. What are you using that gun for? You retarded? The machine gun. Fucking queer. That's how you kill a werewolf in the mountains. Got it? The fuck you scared of? Dada! Estoy papa!
I think I hit his arm.
Okay, back again to the famous truck build-off of Aiden and James's and Uncle Harry Nuts Watermelon Builders.com and Toyotas. Ooh! Toyota, I love Toyota! I know what you do for me, Toyota. Alright, funny story about that. There's this girl named Veronica. Her dad used to take her to school every day when we were in school, in middle school. And she'd always say, I like beans. Got it? She'd say, I like beans. Got it?
She's running away.
Hey, listen. And then we'd always ask her, what kind of car does your dad drive?
Toyota.
A Toyota. And that's what she would tell us. And then I'd be like, what kind of Toyota? And then she'd be all, I don't know, just a Toyota. Because we were all in speech therapy class together. And I'd be like, and then that's when we'd like make her laugh. And me and my friend would be like, I love what you do for me, Toyota. That's why we say that. Oh, Aiden didn't know because he's a baby. Her name was Veronica. No, that looks like Crazy Priscilla.
Is this Veronica?
Nope, that's Crazy Priscilla, stupid, I told you. Shoot that fucking witch. Bro! What happened? You take forever with the Blair Witch. Alright, we got some gold coins finally. Enough to get a Toyota build going on, little Toyota. Which decal should I do first? The one on the blue truck, the white truck, or the red truck?
Red.
Why?
Red.
Why?
It was red.
Alright. I got you, little Toyota. I know what you do for me, Toyota. 113 or 115 stars we got, gold bars. Now we can go buy the decal set. Woohoo! Toyota. I kind of like the blue Toyota better than all of them though. Cause it looks better.
Toyota.
I think I might do the blue one. Aiden's like, bro, then why the fuck you ask then? Well, because we, like, nobody subscribes to our channel, and then ever like, if I get this many likes or this many shares, I'll do it. Like, I'm not one of those weird kids how they got their subscribers, you know what I mean? Or those grown-ups that do that shit, you know what I mean? I do what the fuck I want, when I please. Right, Aiden? Toyota! I know what this one's missing, a Toyota symbol in the back. That's all it's missing. Toyota! I already know this one in my head, so I'll finish this one. Those other ones I gotta really go back to. There's these pictures of these old decals on Google, 1985, type in that year, and it shows you the decals of the Toyota trucks back in the days. And that's what I was learning off of. Toyota! Let's get out of here, let's do it. I want to do it. Aiden! Toyota. Toyota cabrón en pinche güey. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You know I can count in Spanish too?
No.
Pinche cabrones.
Who counted 10?
I was 15, pinche jodido.
Actually, I can only count 10.
Oh. Just add a zero on the end of it and more zeros, way. Fucking cabrons. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15. Uno, dos, cero, 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 6. Got it?
¿Qué?
Sí.
I would say 88 in Spanish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8. De 8, de 8.
Matter of fact, that's not 88.
No? How do you say it? Pinche cabrones. ¿Mm? Solta, jotito. Oh, man. Did it? Did it? Did it? Did it? Did it? No, no, no. Fucking Gallardo. Get off of me, dickhead. Fucking idiot. Fuck you up. Right, Eden?
It's no, dude.
He's trying to fuck with the artiste right now. Don't fuck with the artiste.
You mean the beast?
Beast inside of me might just come out of me. Hiya!
Hi.
Yeah. Vegan, how are you?
Nudes.
What's up, Rumi?
It has to be perfect. Has to be perfect, even. I mean, fucking perfect. That's what's gonna suck about this shit. If you don't get it perfect, people can tell. That's what sucks about this. God damn you. ¿Qué jotitos? Pinche joto. It's like putting perfect. See, see. Hey, how many nothing. Sí, señor, sí.
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Hey, Lucas.
Whoa, okay, I think I can handle this. See, I'll catch you next time.
See you later, Lucas.
Hang on, I'll open the gate. Damn it, runners! Ugh.
Toyota.
It's another one. It's another one, Dad. I already have a lot of ammo. Fuck. Somehow, this guy. This guy. I have two main guys after me. Big guys.
Yankee.
Hey, Rumi.
Oh, okay, done it again. Good luck.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Lucas.
Oh, yeah, I can fix that. See you, D.
Oh, D. How's life out in the crap old world, huh?
What's up, Bertie?
You need something? That'll last you. That all you need? Okay. Okay. Hey, D. I'll see you around. Okay. Deacon, how are you?
What's up, Rumi?
Oh. Goodbye, Deacon St. John. Hang on, I'll open the gate.
Hey, D. How's it going?
What's up, Lucas?
Looking fresh.
Toyota. trucks from my dad since I could never buy you one in real life. What else is it missing? Whew. Okay. I'm fucking breathing is getting a little. Sorry. It's just that it's perfect. This my brother's truck goes there, but I'm too busy building my truck right now. My dad's truck, so. My dad's truck. I have one more thing I want to add on it, but I'll do that later. And you guys know what it is.
Oh, I don't.
No, you don't. But my real friends and family know what it's missing. Diamond in the back, sunroof top. Fucker, it looks pretty clean, dude. I think I got it. I could change the blue a little bit more on it, but man, that's it. That's it, look. Look, it looks real, huh? Huh,
Yeah.
look at it.
What does it say?
Turbo 4x4 Toyota. That's the way the trucks were designed, Aiden. In the 80s and 85s and 80s. Yeah, it said Turbo Toyota, but I did get the picture. If I was to put Turbo Toyota too tiny, you wouldn't be able to tell, so I did it that way. Every time I take the truck out, like on multiplayer, it crashes on mine too for some reason. But it shouldn't crash no more. He's just a messy kid, bro. Like, no matter what he does in his life, he's always a messy kid, bro. I know, Galado. I know. Even if I'm recording or doing whatever I'm doing, bro. They know I can't have a girlfriend or a wife right now, bro. You know what I mean? I know. And then if you freaking leave him alone, man, he comes back and it's even more of a mess, the house. Yeah. Tell me about it. Oh, I know. At least when I was a kid, bro, the only thing I messed up was the dishes. So, now that I got the Toyota Turbo from Uncle, I'm gonna climb this hill. Cause they're not airing around anyway, so shit, let me see what it got. See if his truck's better than my truck. Uh-oh, I think his truck is better than my truck. Two-wheel drive it makes it, 'cause it has the turbo. It's in high gear too. What you know about that, punk? Fuck, I got high centered. Look at huh? Fuck. You piece of crap. I get the bumper stuck on the bumper because it just happened. But let me show you what you can do. Yeah, that's a Toyota, bro. Get it? That's a Toyota.
Listen.
Ooh. Don't forget to hang it up. And that is a Toyota. I'm very proud of my brother for making a Toyota for his papa. So, congratulations, nice truck. I love it. Have a good day. Yeah. Ginger! I'm gonna fucking punch you. Get away from me, Ginger, you stupid bitch. Toyota, Toyota. I love my Toyotas. Oh, shit. We're gonna buy a drone and have it follow us, Aiden. Hopefully it records better gameplay. See, no girlfriends want to hang out with me and Aiden and watch us play video games all day. Or no ladies. What the fuck? Every chick likes to do drugs and party. Get fucking real. Right, Aiden? Right. Toyota!
I'm doing wheelies on sheet bike. I'm doing wheelies on a bike.
I'm just gonna buy another Toyota
Toyota.
and drop a V8 in it. No, I'm just playing all of them have V8. But what color should I paint the other truck?
Purple.
Purple. Gray?
Purple.
Grayish, blackish, like the original colors?
Purple. Blackish.
You're just talking shit.
Or I said purple blackish.
No, you're just talking shit.
How?
There's no such thing.